Which slush machine is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the answer. Today, we're exploring the best options out there that can bring the ice-cold fun right into your home. Product number 1, BKPPM Slushie Machine. First up is the BKPPM Slushie Machine, priced at $199.99. What really caught my attention is its unique feature of making slushies without ice. If you want a hassle-free way to whip up frozen drinks, this is worth a serious look. With a 70 Oz capacity, it's perfect for parties. Plus, the real-time temperature display lets you monitor the process, ensuring that your slushies come out exactly how you like them. Honesty time, some users mentioned that the machine can be a bit loud during operation. Here's the thing though, while it might be noticeable, your guests will probably be too busy enjoying their drinks to care. This is perfect for you if you love entertaining and want to impress your friends with unique frozen cocktails. Skip this one if you're looking for a super compact machine, since it's a bit on the heavier side at 27.7 pounds. For what you get though, it's a solid value. Now, if the noise factor bothered you, this next one might actually be even better for a quieter experience. Product number 2, Ninja Slushie Machine. Next up, we have the Ninja Slushie Frozen Drink and Slushie Machine, retailing at $259.99. This one really stands out with its rapid chill technology, which caught my eye right away. If you want perfectly frozen drinks with minimal effort, give this one a shot. What makes this machine special is its two-part system that ensures your liquids freeze evenly. And with a whopping 88 Oz capacity, it's great for gatherings, keeping drinks frozen for up to 12 hours. That's a big plus for parties. Now, some people found it tricky to clean due to its size. But honestly, I think the results outweigh the little extra effort. It's dishwasher safe, which makes it easier than you'd think. This is perfect for you if you have a large family or love hosting parties. Skip this one if you're looking for something small and portable, but considering what it brings to the table, it's worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those on a budget. Product number 3, Nostalgia Snow Cone Machine. Coming in hot at just $59.99, we have the Nostalgia Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine. This retro beauty is perfect for those who want to keep things simple and fun. If you're looking for a family-friendly machine that doesn't break the bank, this is worth checking out. What's cool about this machine is its stainless steel blades that shave ice quickly into fluffy snow. It's great for making snow cones at parties or just for a fun treat on a hot day. Plus, it's compact enough to fit on any countertop, making it easy to store and serve. However, some users mention the need for hand washing, which could be a hassle. But here's the deal, for the price, it's a small price to pay for an easy and enjoyable way to create your favorite childhood treats. This is perfect for you if you have kids and want to make memories while keeping them cool. Skip this if you want a more sophisticated drink-making experience. At this price point, it's an excellent value for fun. Now, if you're looking for something that combines simplicity with a bit more capacity, check out our next pick. Product number 4, Iceman by Chefman Slushies. Next, let's talk about the Iceman by Chefman Slushies, priced at $179.97. This one really impressed me with its no ice needed feature and quick freezing capability. If you want slushies ready to enjoy in as little as 20 minutes, this is a solid choice. This slushie maker has a 68 Oz capacity, which means you can serve a decent crowd without trouble. The intuitive touch controls let you choose your slushie thickness, so whether you like it light and fluffy or thick and creamy, you can customize it just how you like. Plus, the easy clean function makes maintenance a breeze. On the downside, some users found the initial learning curve a bit steep. But I'll be real with you, once you get the hang of it, it's straightforward and your drinks will be worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with different drink recipes at home. Skip this if you're looking for a set-it-and-forget-it machine. With its features, it offers great value for the price. Now, if you want to step up your slush game even further, our final product might just be the best bet. Product number 5, Iceman Slushies Max. Finally, we have the Iceman by Chefman Slushies Max, which comes in at $179.96. This is a bestseller for a reason, and it's designed to make your slush-making experience even better. If you want a larger capacity without compromising on quality, this one's for you. With a 90 Oz capacity, this machine is ideal for bigger gatherings. It features 5 presets for different types of drinks, so whether you're in the mood for a slushie, a frap, or a cocktail, it's got you covered. Plus, it makes the slushies in about 30 minutes, keeping them chilled for hours. But a few users noted that it can take a bit longer with denser drinks. Here's the thing, if you're patient and plan ahead, you'll be rewarded with delicious, smooth slushies that everyone will love. This is perfect for you if you entertain often and want a reliable machine that can handle larger volumes. Skip this if you're looking for something compact. For what you get, it's a fantastic investment. So there you have it. Each of these slush machines has its strengths and can fit different needs, whether you're looking for convenience, capacity, or just a fun way to keep cool. In summary, we've explored 5 fantastic slush machines. The BKPPM is great for ice-free convenience. The Ninja is perfect for larger gatherings. The Nostalgia adds a fun twist for families. The Iceman Slushies is quick and easy, and the Slushies Max is for those who need extra capacity. Choose the one that fits your needs best and enjoy those refreshing slushies.